Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm back with another internship opportunity. Are you looking to start your research career and publish in top tier journal? So, here is a chance. Delhi Technological University is back with AIMS-DTU Research Internship 2025. Whether you are passionate about image restoration, LMS, Agentic System, Deepfake Detection, or Multimodal Networks, this is the opportunity you have been for. This prestigious 8-week hybrid internship is open to BTech students from the batch 2022, 2023 and 2024 under the guidance of globally renowned researchers like Dr. Dinesh K. Vishwakarma, Dr. Varsha Sisodia and Dr. Ankit Yadav. You will work on cutting-edge AI problem with real-world application. Get hands-on with Python, machine learning, deep learning, and popular frameworks like TensorFlow and Pytorch. And here is the best part. You can publish your work in your top journal and conferences. Win research award up to 5 lakhs. Receive travel support for paper presentation. You'll get a certificate. You can gain mentorship from the best in the field. So don't miss out, spots are limited and the deadline is 21st May 2025. I am attaching the Google form link in the description. You can go and fill it. So please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.